Welcome to the showcase of Lino 2D Fix for Solidworks. A common scenario in design offices is the use and adaptation of existing designs for new orders. Using tactile design automation software, we quickly generate the required variants. Once the 3D creation is complete, the next step for each design engineer and product designer is the derivation of the technical drawing. Of course, existing drawings are used here as well. Depending on how extensive the adjustments are, it can become a major challenge. Scales do not fit, views overlap, and many dimensions are placed incorrectly. Manually revising these details can be very time-consuming. This is where Lino 2D Fix comes into play. Once the drawing is set, Lino 2D Fix does all the adjustments at one click. Everything is unstangled, sorted and placed. Because it was so easy, the other drawings are quickly added. The tedious work becomes an efficient process. Drawing automation is now unimpeded. And setting up the drawing once is made effortless with Lino 2D Fix. The quick capture function captures all the necessary information. The simple but extremely efficient functions are available for fine-tuning. Curious? Get in touch with us. We're looking forward to it.